Hello, friends. Hope you are well. I am Mr. Chivore's AI agent. He's taking his afternoon nap right now. Throwback Thursday. Check out how far we've come and how much technology has changed in just 5 years.
Welcome back to another episode with Mufaro
and Joy.
All right. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make good money in the home care agency business.
Or non-medical home care.
Correct. Mm-hmm. Now, making money in the home care agency business is very, very simple, but it's not easy. Let me explain what I mean. There are three fundamental pillars of a successful business. Number one is the people. Number two is the product or the service. And number three, and which is the most important,
is the process.
It's the process. Now I want to talk about process for a minute. I was in a few Facebook groups and some lady asked, which is the most profitable agency? When I saw that question, I immediately responded and said, well, profitability really depends on the type of process you have in place.
Right.
What I mean by that is there are people in this business that are making no money.
Yes.
In fact, some people are in debt.
Right.
Which is even worse. They've been in debt since they started the agency years ago.
Yes.
And then there's a small minority that is making millions. And here's the difference between those two. The difference between those two people is that one has a solid process that is optimized.
Right.
And the other one has no idea that they need process and has no process in place.
Right.
I've also had a conversation in these groups of somebody who asked, what is the best way for me to get paid or invoice a client? And then I saw people talking about, of course, there are other agencies that are relying on Medicare, so they would focus on Medicare billing and all this stuff.
Right.
Too complicated. In fact, with what we teach, we don't even bother recommending that.
No, we don't. There's
another group of people that are running non-medical home care agencies that are private pay, that don't rely on Medicare. So I saw this lady in the comments section responding and saying that, well, I just tell my clients to write a check at the end of each week after we've delivered the service. And I looked at this, I was like, man, this is the worst advice ever. This is really bad advice. Do you know how risky it is for you to wait until the work is done and then get paid? It's very, very risky, especially if this is a new client of yours. It's one thing if this client is an old client and they're reliable and they pay on time.
Right.
But if you're brand new, are you telling me that you're gonna do the job first and then get paid at the end of the week or at the end of the month? No way. It's very risky and it's bad advice. And I see this all the time, surprisingly. People don't understand that. You really have to create a process that allows for you to minimize this kind of risk.
That's right.
Because here's what's going to happen. If this client is new and you tell the client, okay, I'm going to do work for you, and then you pay me at the end of the week, what's going to happen is you're going to send your caregivers to do the job.
Yes.
At the end of the week or at the end of the month, that client is going to come up with all kinds of excuses why they can't pay on time.
Yes.
They'll tell you the check is in the mail.
Right.
We all know that's BS.
And then there's a big risk with
it's too risky
having your check mailed, because sometimes it's likely gonna get lost, or it may take longer to reach you. And remember, you have the responsibility to pay your caregivers on time.
Right.
If you don't do that on time, it did happen to me. If you don't pay them on time, guess what? Some of them are gonna quit the job. It did happen to me. One time a check was sent to me and it got misplaced. I didn't even know how. So I had to go back to the agency and let them know what happened. They're like, oh, we sent a check. I'm like, no, I didn't get that check. So I had to, you know, ask them if they can do like a deposit instead of me relying on, you know, because I don't want that same problem happening over and over.
Truth be told, the agency that you used to work for back in the day, that they were trying to scam you. That's the honest truth. What they were hoping
maybe
for,
I didn't look at it that way, but
you didn't look at it that way because you're an honest person. But they were trying to scam you and have you do all this work and say, oh man, you know what, I'm not even going to bother follow up on this check. So your clients are going to do the same thing to you. You know, what makes you so special that your clients are not going to do that to you? So you minimize that risk. What we recommend is you ask for the payment up front. At least a week's worth of work payment up front before you even send your caregivers in there.
That's right.
And then the clients that actually have the money, that are trustworthy, that are legit, will pay.
They will pay.
Will pay up front.
Yes.
Right? So let's say your going rate for the month is $5,000 per client. You should be collecting $1,200 for that week.
Yes.
Up front.
Yes.
And not in a check, by the way. You should be collecting that money in an online payment of some sort, whether it's Stripe or PayPal, but never a check.
What up, my friends? You didn't get into healthcare to become a slave to paperwork and 12-hour shifts. You got into this to serve and to get rewarded the amount of money that you really deserve. But right now, you're drowning in bills in this crushing cost of living economy and high inflation. Listen, wage slavery is a real thing in this new economy, but that cycle of struggling and falling behind ends today. Introducing the elite home healthcare business, AI automation. We've built a system that lets you automate 99% of all your home care business workflow in just 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours you can automate your entire home care business, guys. Imagine state licensing applications, payroll, client invoicing, accounting, and all admin workflows handled automatically. Automated marketing that finds premium clients on social media and TV while you take afternoon naps. You know, I love taking naps. Every afternoon, I love to take naps nowadays because I have automations running all day long. No more HR department, no manual time tracking, and no agency fees. And here's the best part, guys. You're not doing all this alone. I'm gonna give you 100 days of one-on-one coaching and mentorship in my private members-only group. Stop trading your soul, your time for a paycheck and hustling backwards. You need to stop that right now. We have entered AI revolution. Automate your freedom, take your time back and your life back. Click the link below and join us. Let's build your elite home care future.